Today, I'm going to teach you how to play the maze Rubik's Cube. It's this piece over here. And we have a ball here. A bit hard to see. Where is it? So when it goes down, it starts over here, right? I'm going to try to complete the loop. 6 sides of cubes. And it's going to be fun. Let's focus that a bit. Right, here we go. So the first stage is very easy. I said very easy, but I keep looking at the camera. And so that you guys can get a better view. Alright, second. Okay, second level, I'll teach you how to get through. First, get to this corner here, and then get to this corner here, and get to this corner while turning that way, right? That way. There we go. And then down here. You can always, okay, to make it easy, get to this corner here, means you have to face that way, right? And then, like that, get to this corner here. Now you want to flick it in, but not too much. And go that way as soon as you can, so that in case it comes here, you stop here, right? There we go. Straight down, straight up. Now, you're over here. You want it to go straight down. Just past the hole. So just flick it like that. It jumps right down. It will skip the hole because of momentum. Right? Alright, third one. This is a bit hard. Once you get here, it's simple, but to get here is pretty hard. You have to angle it right. Make sure it goes down here and quickly flies up here, right? Okay, just be careful. Hope I managed to flick it. Did I? Yep, I did. So now it's here. On this side, flick it, and I want this to go all the way there, right? So I'm going to flick it now like that. Right, now it's here. I want to go up here. This one, it's not so difficult because it's a diagonal, you just have to flick it down. But it takes some practice, right? Get it up here. Up here. Right, now we're going to flick it there. 1, 2, 3. Try to minimize your movement. See, now it's there. And next step. Whew! We got there. We got there. We knew we would get there. Alright. Now we're here. This is pretty simple. Just hide there and voila. Now I want to go straight down. I don't want to go down this way. Right, so I'm going to flick it up. This is probably a bit difficult, a tad bit difficult, but not too difficult. There we go. And we want to go down, right? So right down. And we want to go here. So we're going to flick it up and flick it down. Okay, flick it down, right. Now we got this. It's pretty simple. And fifth level. Down. Okay, how are you gonna get here? Very easy, you get through here. But here would be the second most difficult part. Or the most difficult is here. The second most difficult was the one I showed you just now, which it took so long to get through. Right, this is a through and a flick. A through and a flick. Got it? So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna go diagonal. Right, let's try it. But the good part is if you go fast that way, if you go that way very fast, it might just flow through to here. So you might not have to deal with this. Right, we're gonna do it. Flick. Okay, so it didn't work this time. One more time, flick. We got it. We got through. Right. Here, face it this way and just flick it down. This is supposed to get it here, right? So, oh, sorry. Get it here. Alright. You want to flick it up. Fast move, and you got it there. Right, in. And this is the final stage. You want to go here. Here, around here, there. Don't be too greedy. Okay. What I like to do is I like to stop the thing here, so that when I go there and there, it will come here, right? There we go. You must get used to turning this thing around. And to get through there, just push it up, straight up, like this. And we end with a bang. Just try to get that over. 11 minutes into the hole. Say good job. I hope you get to the end. If you don't get it, keep trying. Don't give up. It's easy enough. You can do it.